It's Bizkit.com. That's B-I-Z-K-I-T. You know this is hip hop, so we don't spell shit right.
You want to go first?
So I'm gonna let Sue rock out.
Ask that question real quick again. Ask that question for me again.
Shit, are they ending that? No, ladies. I just want to know what your thoughts were as women who are involved in this industry. What was your thoughts on the Rick Ross, Molly, date rape, the whole fiasco? How that's panned out? Like, how did y'all take that?
I felt like he shouldn't have said it just because of the position that he's in and the power that he has over, he's such a big figure in rap, music, everything, but at the same time, things have been said 100 times worse and they weren't like as nearly scrutinized as this. I felt like it was taken probably way more into context than he actually meant.
That is correct.
Okay, alright. L'Oreal, rapper who is not afraid to be controversial when rappers do some bullshit or not. What do you think?
I definitely think this is the key thing to what I was trying to explain, the consequence. And it's not that I know everything more than these niggas that's been in the game or sold more records than me, whatever the case. My nigga, one line could fucking change a lot of things. And that's what I tried to explain to brother man. But, people could take it. People could take offense to certain things and not offense to others. You could kill a lot of niggas in your song, bang, bang, shoot them up. But you got to remember, this is a big black man talking about raping. I'm not going to say he said raping because he didn't
say
come
rape.
out and say rape. But
rape.
He did say he fucked her and she didn't even know it.
She enjoyed
that. Yeah, she enjoyed it or whatever the case. She didn't know it. She drank the Molly. She didn't know it. This is, I'm not going to say it's right or wrong, but what I will say is, just like I said to Homeboy, one line, that's all it takes. You get what I'm saying? And sometimes we got to be more conscious with the things that we are saying.
But L'Oreal,
I could shoot you. We could shoot 100 people.
Don't
talk about raping a girl.
Don't you know my nigga Gunna? He like to kidnap kids, fuck them in the ass, throw them onto the bridge.
Yeah,
that's how we live. Shit's played out.
That's big.
Fuck that beef shit.
I don't know. That was just big. That was at that time.
Exactly.
This is rap music.
We had a different point.
It's not about being at a different point. This is rap music. Since the beginning of rap. Since the beginning of rap.
I still feel like that's like kidnapping. Not to say that that's better or nothing, but you're saying that you're doing something to somebody they're totally not aware of. You get what I'm trying to say? And I don't know. You're a guy, but hold on. You're a guy. So when it comes to like rape and stuff like that, y'all may not think about that as being so serious. But if you was a girl that's ever been, or that knows a girl, if you know a girl that's ever been,
it's a serious line.
Yeah, and it's gonna bother them.
I'm not trying to.
I mean, Kanye said that could fuck up your whole life, like an uncle that touched you.
Yep.
Nobody ain't say nothing, but he didn't say he was the uncle that touched. You get what I'm trying to say?
Or the kid that got touched.
You get what I'm trying to say now, but you got to think of how that person feels when they.
No,
that just is what it is. And
I understand what
I'm
you're
a Rick Ross fan. You get what I'm trying to say?
All I'm saying is that. I'm not saying the Rick Ross line is appropriate because it's not. It's a terrible line.
Yeah.
It's offensive. It's appalling. But since the beginning of rap, they have said appalling shit. That's what rap is.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Yo, L'Oreal, I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it real. Can I keep it real?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So hold on. I'm gonna tell her what I want to hear, right? Cause she gonna spit what she want to spit, but I'm telling her, you be giving me a raw vibe, like you be having some raw shit, and I kind of want to hear that shit. Like I want to hear that raw shit.
Okay, let's go.
Appreciate it. Go hit him.
Smoking weed out of Lambo. Yeah, I got a hell of a handle. And I look good in the middle of scandal. Canceling bitches, go New Jack. I'm coming through, little nigga, get the fuck back. My rack's fat, and my poom poom fat, and my gold yard stuff, huge boobs, I'm all that. Call that showing off, gotta do more. I own damn near everything in the store. Never fraternize with low life whores. Saying what you gonna do, fuck you waiting for. And lately I've been thinking about the power of the buck. If it ain't about money, I don't never give a fuck. Valentino Queen, Crocodile Celine. I kills the clubs, I am the scene. Got my Cali weed on the East Coast, such a sweet thing. Throwing L's up, cause it's still a G thing.
Yeah.
Yo, I appreciate it, yo. I knew you had that raw shit. I knew you had that raw shit. I was waiting for that. I'm not even going front. I like that shit. That shit was alright.
Thank you.
Word up.